All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, and this is manovermarket.com, and this is the Monday, November 3rd ES call. All right, well, exactly what I thought might happen, and we might have to be worried about is that we're going to get these follow throughs, low volatility rallies. You know, they're going to take it up. I never thought I'd say it, but I thought they'd get back to the highs, and I thought the correction would be more than we had. But, it looks like we're headed to 2030. So, which is not that far away from where we're at. All right, so I had just put this in as the Globex high. We just took it out. We just actually are taking our 5 minute pivot out. We get this close here, and it'll go to a buy. So we just made a new high here of 1375 as I'm talking to you. The high on basically on Friday was 1675. Here's that up here. We've got R1 here, R2 there. Now, we've done some research over the weekend, and from a profile point of view, I put these here. The beige line at 211 and 207 is the IB range for London. We've got resistance from 2012 half to basically 2014 half. All right. We'll see if we take this 5 minute pivot out while we're talking. We have the top of value sitting right here at 2010.75. 2010 quarter was the closing mode for Friday, but most of the mode we set at 2007 half, and then we moved to 2008 and a quarter, and then the mode moved up to 2010 and a quarter on the close. So it's not surprising to me that we could not take out 2007, and 2007 actually is the low of Globex. So I'm going to mark this as we speak right here. All right, 2007. I'm going to give it. So I keep that marked on my chart. There's our Globex low. All right, we got the bottom of value sitting at 2,375, and then so the other things that we've marked on our chart, as you can see here, 2005 was support, 2,375, and then 2002. Below 2002, we'd have a ledge that would fall off, and we're still talking about these single prints down here that I was talking about on the profile. We still got the single prints that we have from here, starting at 2002 all the way back to 1993 half. 1993 half. Okay. Some other things that I looked at is if you take the first time we made our highs from 2009 and then to the correction and then back up here. I'm going to give you a chart today. I'll show it to you on the wrap up that the mode from that point on till now is sitting around 1960. So there's where the average trade is. Here we are at 2015 on this breakout, and the 5 minute has gone to a buy. So, they tried to take out the low and sat there all night. We just did this now. So all I can tell you is I guess we're in a buy mode. We're in uncharted territories. We're going to be looking at we'll wait for B to open up, or and the only thing I can tell you is we'll be looking at whatever the IB range is. We'll be looking 1.5 times the IB range. Will be an example like here. You can see this is 1.5 times the green, and then 2 times will be blue because we're in uncharted territories, and then that's what we're going to be looking for. So, you know what? Can't argue with the rest of the world. I guess I'm wrong. I guess you can print money and just print it, and now the rest of the world will print it, and the markets will go up, and they'll just keep going up, and everything's hunky dory, and there's nothing wrong with the economy, and there's nothing wrong with the central banks of the world and our Fed stimulating. So I guess we'll just, you know what? Let's not complain. Let's just go with it, I guess. All right. Louis Sports Slim, animalmarket.com. The 5 minute pivot is out, as you can see, and 2006.75 a close under there. Now remember, this does move up throughout the day. Also look for it to get back to value. So we're already hitting R1 here. And then above that, R1 comes from the calculated pivots. We got R2 at 219.75. All right. Uh, you know, stick with us. Go to the site. Get the updates. Salute Sports Zone, Man Over Market. And good luck. Happy trading. Bye.